Hi everybody, Earl here, MGM Classic Cars, mgmclassiccars.com in Addison, Illinois. Let's check out this 1971 Nova. This is a car to get excited about, and I don't get excited too often, but this is a real nice build. It's powered by an LS 5.3, fuel injected, 4-speed automatic trans, 4-wheel disc brakes. Beautiful, beautiful car, great stance, nice paint. I'm gonna go through this baby. Air conditioning, vintage air system, blows nice and cold. Just done right. Let me get backed up a little bit here so I could show you. Come on now, Hugger orange. Great color. Look at that stance. Sitting on 50s in the back, 15-inch, probably 70s in the front, so it's got a real tough look to it. LS 5.3. You'll have to wait till I open the engine so I could show you. All right, let's get up and personal with it so you know exactly what you're getting when this comes home in your driveway. All your chrome is in good shape. Badging, lights are all working. Wipers are working. Turn signals are working. All your marker lights are working. It lines up pretty good. One little flaw that I see, and I'll show it to you. Paintwork is great. Give it a strong 8 out of 10. Right here, a little bit, it's up. Could be adjusted a little bit more. Wipers intact. Front glass is great. And chrome around there. Vent windows. No chips or scratches. Oh, hang on, let's see. Oh, that's just dirt. This door lines up great with the Fender. All the way through. Great gaps. Chrome handles. Mirror intact. Glass on the passenger side. I'm sorry, on the driver's side, and driver windows in good shape. Your rear quarters in good shape with no stories. Marker lights in place. Rear glass good, and the chrome around it. No problems on the roof of the vehicle. Trunk lines up good. Dual exhaust. It's got a really nice sound to it. Passenger rear quarters in good shape. No chips that are noticeable. Quarter and door line up good. Vent, again, passenger mirror, which is nice. This one lines up pretty good. I'm gonna have to hold back a little bit. It's off just a tad in here. It's nothing crazy, but it is off a little bit in there. What's this? Oh, just a piece of dirt. Front fender is great. Nice driver. Could drive all the way to wherever you want to go and just keep cruising. Just take a look at this interior. Door panels are good. No rust to be found anywhere, and clean underneath. I've taken over 110 pictures because I liked it. I just kept shooting and shooting. Front seats, good shape. Center console. Dash is color coded. Dash pad is good. Paintwork is just a lot of attention. Seatbelts are intact as well as in the rear. Back panel's good shape. I see a tiny little bubble in the back. I'll look at that. It's got 6x9s. Headliner is good. No stories. B&M shifter, automatic trans 4-speed, vintage air conditioning, aftermarket sound system, has a good sound to it. Nice aftermarket gauge package. A lot of time and money was put into this car and a lot of love. This is a really great car, priced right. These don't last. Let's get to the other door. Good shape. Sill panel inside. Just on all your moldings. Weather stripping is all fresh. All around the car. Underneath the door jambs is great. Let me see if we can get under here a little bit. It's got a 10-bolt rear end with a posi. Really nice. Let's fire this up. Okay. Horn's working. All your gauges, speedometer, tack, fuel, oil, everything is working order. Radio. B&M shifter. Angry, I love it. Let's check out the jewelry under the hood. That should make you nice and happy and whip your taters. Aluminum radiator, keep you nice and cool. A&M. Look at this. LSX, fuel injected, vintage air, power 4-wheel disc brakes, headers. Clean. Hoses, belts, everything fresh. Look how they did them. Only thing that I will be doing is we don't have the key for the trunk. It's misplaced. I'll be replacing this and taking some photos and placing them later for the trunk. Get that open. It's in good shape. I know that. We just misplaced the key or fell off the ring. Shit happens. So if you're looking to get some financing with us and you're anywhere from a 625 to a 740, you need at least 10% down. We will call it in and get an approval if possible. If you're a 740 and above, you need to go directly to lightstream.com. Again, that's lightstream.com. All our loans are up to 84 months with great rates. If you need shipping quotes, we ship all over the United States, open and enclosed, bonded and insured. You could text me or call me at 773-600-0919. Again, that's 773-600-0919. My name is Earl. We've got over 120 cars in stock ready for immediate delivery. We're located in Addison, Illinois. We are open Monday through Friday from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Saturday from 10 a.m. to 2 o'clock by appointment only. You could reach me. I gave you my number. Here it is again, 773-600-0919. Come on by, give us a call. If you like our videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Like us on Facebook at MGM Classic Cars. Hope you're all enjoying your day. You'll hear from me soon. Take care.